Welcome to Carter's Eat. It's government cheese. If you ever find this brand, Bongards, get it. It's better than Velveeta. Since I think it said 06. Listen, this cheese tastes like the cheese we had of days in the past. 60s and 70s grilled cheese in elementary school. Listen, someone gave me their rations box and was like, here, Lisa, they were giving it out at the church. I had to take it. You can't turn this down. Look at it. Solid, thick. I got 2 boxes. Oh my God. So here's the second box. It's already open. And listen closely. You're going to hear my father ask for a piece of cheese. It'll all be voiceover. I'll leave the same.
Oh, taste like Velveeta. Taste like Velveeta.
Grilled cheeses. And then we're going to make mac and cheese because we got 2 of them. Wait. You guys, with 2 boxes, you already know I'm about to show off with some mac and cheese and a couple of grilled cheeses just for you guys. They're going to be cheesy deliciousness. Oh my God.
Roast don't you dare. You only look this way. Cheese. Great. Good.
Make America great.
No, bring back better.
Bring back better.